Alright folks, what I got in store for you. Got a box right here. I don't think I should open it, but it is a 16-inch by 100-inch Lin Manufacturing thick. Is it 1-inch thick, 16 by 100 ceramic fiber blanket. I'm not opening it because, you know what, screw it. I'll open the top. If you look at this right here, hit the pause button, it'll tell you all the information, blah, blah, blah. It's probably all faded. Probably can't read it. Where did I get off of? Where else? Amazon. What is this for? Well, if you're going to build a, what do you call it, forge smelter, you need to build it properly. So, anyway, that's how it comes. I'm not going to take it out of the box. See, it's 100 inches. It's refractory wool. Apparently it's up to, how many degrees? Let's see. Danger. All strong fire products have a hazard communication warning. So do mosquitoes. Prop 65 1 airborne fiber insulation hazard statement. I don't know. All that California crap. Prolonged repeat exposure to ceramic fiber dust is suspected causing cancer. Oh, really? So anyway, it's like, I don't know, 2,000 degrees or some shit. It's a little hotter than your average, what do you call it, French toast. Also, to add to that, I ordered in the same batch. My eye hurts for some reason. It's not insulation, don't worry. I also got a can of this. Ugh. This is DIY 2-1, whatever the hell. It is dry mix. DIY. Dry mix 2-1 refractory mortar, 2550 Fahrenheit. Non-wattage soluble, does not require heat to cure. For joining, repairing flue tile as parge coating for fireboxes, meets NFPA 211, blah, blah, blah. What do you do with this? You put that in the, from what I was told and watching way too many videos, you put insulation in the burner thing, and then you coat this over the top. I could be wrong. I probably am. Who knows? But that's what several people said. Or I can get ceramic bricks, line the whole thing with bricks, and then coat this over the bricks. I'll try that method first. If it doesn't work, I'll try something else. So that's what's new for the burner, the smelter, burner, schmerner, whatever thing build. So if you stay tuned to the channel, I'm going to get back to building and finishing the burner, put it all together. That's coming soon. So stay tuned. Let me open it up, see what it looks like. Let me see. Let's open it. Are we allowed to? Of course we're allowed to. I'm going to open it up and see what it looks like. I read like, I don't know, 1 million reviews on all these things, and everybody says this one's not bad. Some people complain about everything on Amazon. So yeah, it's basically, it's powder. It's pretty fine powder. So, stay tuned. Oh, and don't forget to lick the subscribe button. Everyone else wants you to smash it.